Yo, got my head on my shoulders like a boulder, pen in hand. As I stand, take a seat or a beat down, cause here I am the clown, giving thanks to the one with the throne, with the crown. Yeah, all you give way as I say, I lay a 2-second wait, took him 3 days to race. So oh grace and look yourself in the face, what a disgrace. You're spitting in his face, so break your face before I slap it off it. Clean yourself, you're bleeding, and keep the change, you filthy animal. Hey Kukuleru, I want to introduce you into my homeboy. He likes to kick the 7 shows of shit out of you. So how is it to wanna do? So what's up? Good luck, stop, X fucked up, it happened up. What's up? So what's up? Good luck, struck your fingers holding the pen, sweet as the scent and the paper. How's it later? See you now. Oh wow, writing down my ink. What do I think? Should sound profound. I can't count for a round. Ding ding, ding 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 ding. There goes the thing, so right to spite, and I'm alright. I know I'm right, and right as above the below. On the right side I've got, and right side I've held. So what the hell? Let me just spell these letters to tell all you haters. He is, he was, he will be. 1, 2, 3, pen down paper, had this to say. So what's up? Good luck, strap, act fucked up, it up, pinned up. What's up? So what's up? Good luck, struck. So what's up? Good luck, struck, X fucked up, it up, pinned up. What's up? So what's up? Good luck, struck.